within the first few days, you guys earned me what my old management earned me in 11 days.
Which was crazy. All right, it's good, my people. Little vlog. So today we are off to meet one of our clients. Let me just open it. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know it might be a little bit loud. So yeah, so today we're off to drive all the way down south of the UK. I need to go down there anyway to go meet my mumsy, and me and my mum were actually flying somewhere, so that'll probably be another vlog. So one of our models that we recently got ahead and signed up, Jess West, you're gonna get to meet her in just a second. She actually lives somewhat close to where my mum lives, so might as well go see her. This will be the first time I'm actually meeting her in person. We've had some incredible results with her account already. She's super happy to be working with us. So it'll be great to actually showcase you what does it actually look like running an actual OnlyFans management agency and actually having a couple of models. I'm fucking waffling. Let's just go, man. Also, pretty little fit. Right, the thing is, they don't teach you this at school. See what I'm saying? God, it even matches the little color and shit. Right, imagine I start a clothing brand. Yeah, it's game over. It's game over. Oh yeah, this is the apartment. I had another video up quite a while ago. Well, not a while ago, literally a week ago. And it was basically like an apartment tour. However, we low-key doxed ourselves because like it had the door number, all this bullshit on there. So we're taking it down for now. We're moving out of this gaff in probably like 2-3 months. So once we're moved out, we'll re-upload the video or make it public again. But yeah, I low-key doxed myself. So I'm not trying to do that. So for now, we privated the video. Alright, I'm doing Rebecca a favor. She doesn't want to go outside and put this in the bin, so I've driven as close as I possibly can to the bin to get it. And then she said, if I don't get it in the bin, she will go out of the car, walk around and put it in the bin. So.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
Okay, what's good, my people? So, a little update. We have made it. Well, this isn't Jess's house. This is a car wash. We just made it to Chelmsford. The car is, let me show you. So, yeah, I'm gonna try and wash it real quick. I don't even know if this car wash works. I'm praying to God it does. Yeah, it's grim. So, let's try it. So I went to Bossman to get £1 out. This machine accepts £1 for it. So it's Sheen MT Daily. All right, cool.
A92, Films the engineer, plugged in, gang.
Yo, Charlie, I like this one.
92, baby. It's Kate. I'll swim my arm in a figure of 8, or I won't leave till the whole clip empty. Then boy,
okay, we're a business, baby. Watch out.
I want LV, Prada, or Gucci, and match us up, my ops and Fendi. And when juice gets spilled like soda, now I will say no words like Kenny.
My hand thing comment like Corona, if it costs twice and it's 10 you pack. They say that we come like athletes, circle your block when we do them laps. All I attack tryna get this pagan, all I attack and the feels don't lack. He thought he was big like Max, till I pulled out the stick tryna swing for back.
Alright, we're done with the car wash. And if you're in Chelmsford and you come to this car wash, if you get this pound to work, you get a free car wash from me. Alright, fuck this off, let's just go. We're only like 4 or 5 hours ahead, late. I'm so sorry, Jess. Let's go. Alright, sweet boys. So I'm here with Dimitri.
Bonjour.
So,
welcome.
We just made it to Jess's place. So Dimitri is obviously Jess's partner, and have a look at what we've got right here, boys. This is sick. So Dimitri's going to show us how it works. I'll obviously get you to meet Jess in just a sec as well. But this is fucking quality. Look at this, boys. So go ahead, mate.
Right. We're not going to Twitch. We're not going to stream live. We're just going to do a little demonstration of racing.
And by the way, yeah, Dimitri does Twitching as well. So I'll put his link in the description. So boys, please go ahead and follow him and watch him. When do you go live, by the way? Is there a schedule?
Every Thursday night, 8 PM is tournament night.
Yeah.
So I'm always on a Thursday night, 8 PM. But I generally do practice during the week as well, but it varies at times. But Thursdays at 8 always.
Wicked. That's UK time, by the way. So yeah, go ahead and click the link below. Definitely follow. This is so sick. And by the way, that's Dimitri's car. We'll show it after. Fucking quality, mate.
We're in a BMW 1 Series M Sport.
Yeah.
Starting from the back. So
yeah.
It's only one lap. Let's see how far we can get.
Steering wheel's like proper heavy and stuff.
Yeah, it's You can have it as heavy as you want. I've got it quite realistic to the actual car. But it's really immersive, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so sick. Imagine having these at home.
Can you imagine having something like this in your house, right? And now you get even better in your house. I can't believe it. It's good, isn't it? It's good. Right, Marcus, it's his first time sitting on the rig.
Right.
First observations.
God, mate. I feel powerful. I feel fast.
You haven't done anything yet?
Mate, this is sick as well. This was a present, yeah, from Jess.
Yeah. Right, yeah. So when the lights go out, they're gonna go red. You then floor it.
And then press.
Yeah. Floor it, keep it pressed. Then pull the clutch down. Yes.
I was telling Bex, I was like, yeah, I need one. I'm getting one.
You need to get one ASAP.
Bex, listen to what Dimitri's saying. Oh, mate, this is so much fun. Oh, shit. Not every day you have to make money. Sometimes, just have a little bit of fun.
Yeah, no, man. Of course, this is why you make money.
Yeah. Does it show the lap anywhere? Like where it should be turning and stuff? Or is it just
I've
turned it off?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's something more realistic, isn't it? That way?
Exactly.
Oh, really?
Brake. That harder brakes. Yeah.
I like that. Keep doing that if you can guide me through it.
Alright, go on.
Don't gas me, I feel like I have to. We had like a mini row. It was so bad.
You're going to get 4 red lights come up. Go, gas. Right. Go.
I thought I was that one in front. You don't need to brake, you've got to get off the pedal. Thank you so much.
Sweet. So as you guys can see, we're here with lovely Jess. Bex is here as well. So yeah, we finally made it. So I just wanted to kind of meet Jess, well, for you guys as well. Okay, this is code, by the way.
Guys, right? No, stop.
He's not a big fan of me.
He likes girls. He's a top. He likes that. He does like the men. He does like.
So just a little part of the vlog, of course, I wanted to introduce Jess, and obviously Jess is one of our clients at the agency. There's not really anything specifically that I wanted to talk about, but just in general, kind of your journey. What is it that you do, first of all, Jess?
I do OF and spicy stuff, so I'm a bit more of a harder creator, I guess you'd say. And yeah, then I don't know what else I can say on it.
Probably recognise his face somewhere if you're a British lad, which is quite funny.
Yeah.
Cool. And then me and Jess, so we've only been working together now for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes, I think I got with you guys on like the 11th of this month, so yes, like 2-3 weeks, and literally within the first few days, you guys earned me what my old management earned me in 11 days.
Which was crazy. I remember we'd done that Zoom call. There was a clip as well where you literally said that. And the first day, I think before we joined, I don't know if you were averaging, about 200-300.
Yeah, I was. And like I said, it was very just slow, just turnover really. And I was with my old management for like 5 months, and basically I never really grew. My money stayed the same. Which obviously was fine, it was okay, but obviously I want to grow and I want to make more. And then literally coming on with you guys within the first like few days, like I said, you like literally rocketed my account up, and it is still going up, so far. And you guys have obviously been on less time, so yeah, it's really good.
So far it's been going really well. I think it's just crazy to hear what your previous agency, they just weren't doing much.
Well, there were certain things they were missing out on, like, so obviously sexting is a huge thing, and having someone on my page as much as you guys do. I've literally got like my own guy, which is great. And he's warmer to you now, isn't he?
I'm sitting a bit closer now.
So so there was just certain things they weren't doing, and certain things that like was obviously missing out. And obviously me being like a spicy girl, a harder gal, but there were certain things they wasn't really doing. They was just kind of missing out the whole personal thing, with me, which obviously you kind of really explained to me that is the most important thing. Like, it's because obviously I'm out there all over, so like so the personal stuff is much more better for me than just selling out my content.
Yeah, I completely agree. And I think as well, the reason why me and you straight away thought that is because we actually listen to each one of our clients. Whereas I don't know about your previous agency, but they probably thought, right, you're just another client, we'll just do the same thing over over and over, which doesn't work for every single model. Everyone's
And I
different.
think as well, like my previous agency, like they didn't really have, they had sort of like glamour girls, but not really sort of harder girls. And obviously I'm different, but I am a different genre, and I'm not just like your sort of glamour girl. I'm obviously do harder, and so there is a way to market me differently. I'm not the same as, I can't just get these out and that's fine, because they're going to seem much harder for me. So yeah, I kind of have to be marketed differently, and I've definitely realized that with you. But you guys have helped me marketing as well, like my whole social media. You've given me tips on what to do, what to post, and what to help boost that as well, which is a great help, because I never had any of that before.
I remember the live stream as well. Literally in the first week, I think we thought, let's just do a live stream.
Yeah.
How did that go for you?
So basically, I hadn't done a live stream for a while, because when I'd done them in the past, they'd kind of flopped, and I never really got much help from old agency. I just kind of said, oh, shall I do it? And then I never really got much promo or much help from it. But we did one with you guys, and literally I was really skeptical, so I was like, well, it doesn't make money. But we did it anyway, and you was 100% right. Like, we literally like just smashed it. And I was on an hour and did like a few £100, just easy, really easy.
Love it.
And the guys were like, when's the next one? So it was really good, because I never had that before. But it was nice to see something that, like, obviously a suggestion from you that actually that worked. And yeah, because I never really had a suggestion or help before, you know.
You just had to figure it all out.
I mean, not that I need help, because I'm quite good with creating, but sometimes you just do need a little boost, and I feel like you guys definitely helped me.
I think with that, the live stream in particular, so if there's any girls watching this that are doing OF and maybe you're wanting to do a live stream, or you do live streams but it doesn't really work, one of the biggest things that we done with yourself was just actually promoting it. So before you'd done a live stream, you actually promoted, hey, this time, this day, we're going live.
Yeah, so you obviously told me to promote it like, what, 3 days before, or 4 days before, something like that. Like, you was really like, told me what to do, like to post on Instagram, to do this, to do that, you know, like to do a poll and to do all like what outfits should I wear, to really get people involved. And then obviously to post it on my wall as well. And it really got people excited for it. And I have more viewers than I've ever had in any of my other nights ever.
Because they're excited. Oh my God, she's really talking about the live stream. So yeah, I mean, I can't really take too many props, because at the end of the day, Jess is just great to work with. No matter what kind of content we need, customs, Jess will just do it straight away. So that's one of my previous videos. I was actually speaking about how you shouldn't try to work with every single creator. You should try and find creators who just tick all your boxes, and Jess is one of those creators. So yeah, you'll see a lot of Jess more as well. I'll leave Jess's links as well as Dimitri, so his Twitch down below as well. One is Rick earlier. So yeah, check out both of these. We may or may not be having a little podcast coming up soon. Where you can actually, so also for people that may not know, your other half, so you both guys own the industry.
Yeah. So my other half is probably as known as I am, because we both have been, he's been in the industry longer than me. He's been like 20 years. I've been in it 15. He's very well known as well, and and obviously we're both well known together. And he also does OF. His is slightly different to mine. We've kind of figured out, because at first we did his just like mine, but we've realised that boys and girls are not obviously the same. So we've done his differently and stuff like that. But
it's just an interesting relationship, isn't it? And a lot of people have a lot of questions. So.
People have tons and tons of questions.
What's going on? So yeah, so we'll leave those questions to the actual podcast. But Jess, thank you very much for having us around as well. You've been amazing. And yeah, definitely check out all of their links below as well. So we'll carry on in the vlog from here, boys. So we have made it to the for the Airbnb. By the way, yeah, I'll do a proper outro because meeting Jess was actually really cool. She was a super nice girl. But let me just check into this Airbnb real quick. Once.
Oh my gosh, it's so fucking cute. What the hell?
All my boys that watch Andrew Tate, little chess game. What's it? Little bar. Yeah. Here, thank you very much for watching. This is just a short little vlog. I mean, it's probably gonna be about 5 minutes or so, but it's just really good to actually go out and meet some of our clients. Yeah, it's just great to actually meet them in person and actually just see how much happier they are like once you've got them amazing results compared to like the last agency they worked with, and just meeting clients in general. I think it's a great experience, and if you haven't done so and you're able to, and if some of your clients are in the same country as yourself, go ahead and meet them. I may or may not have had a couple of drinks. So let me just end this vlog right here. Thank you for watching. I bet you know other little OnlyFans manager will make a vlog meeting their clients, probably because they don't have any. On that note, I'm gonna love you and leave you. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this Airbnb with my bird. I'm gonna let the rest of you haters just sit at home and cry. Can I change the dimness of this light as well? To all my haters, can you dim your lights? I bet you can't, no fucker. Anyway, see you next one. Take care.